My channel is your girl Beauty, and I'm back with another video. Okay, but today, as you can tell from the title, I'll be doing basic to baddie. So I'll actually be taking my basic face, you know, whatever, and transform myself into a cute little baddie like from Instagram. But you know, this look, like, share, and leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about this look. Okay, so let's get started. Beach Cosmetics, Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna use orange, but this dark orange right here, you because we're going for a more orangey look, not really a dark, you know, but we finna work with this, okay? Because I didn't know it was gonna be this dark anyways. I thought it was gonna be a little bit lighter, but excuse me.
I might watch something while you're asleep. Okay? That's like chill time. I'll probably I gotta get a new one, okay, y'all. Still do not crack on me because I'm still using the same old one, but it's okay. yeah, I gotta buy a new one. I keep delaying time. When I go to the store, I always forget to buy one. When I go to the beauty supply store, I always forget to pick one up. I pick everything else up, but it's this that I really need. So hopefully this week, sometime this week, or at the end of this week, I get a chance to zip in the beauty supply store and get me one of these. But these babies been like, I think I had this for a year, y'all. I don't wear makeup that often, so it's like I don't wear makeup that much, you know. And this like works miracles, y'all. Like, y'all gotta try. If you never tried, I think some people say it don't work, but you have to have the medium to dark. If you my skin tone or you dark than my skin tone, you need medium to dark, not light to medium. Okay, light to medium would not work. You understand me? It blends in with your skin tone. But yeah, let's blend this in. So that's the roll technique, puffing brush, and you know, I've been using this and I really like. Normally, when I do my highlight, I normally spray the brush, the brush that I'm gonna use with my setting spray, Master Chrome highlight. This lipstick, and it's sugar brown lipstick, and they say it's a matte lipstick. There's a color. It smells like crayons. Like, it smells like a crayon.
You got me singing.